welcome or welcome back to my channel. Now today's video is slightly different. Normally I do kind of makeup and beauty type videos, however today I have done my Ancestry DNA test and it's so interesting and I really wanted to share it with you. So if you want to see this video, which isn't, clearly it's not paid for or sponsored or anything like that, but if you want to see more about it and what I found out about me, then please keep watching. Once you order this, within a few days they send you this box. So this just says Ancestry DNA on it, and has just a few little things on the back, and inside you get the little information pack, which basically says welcome to the DNA, welcome to the DNA, welcome to Ancestry DNA, complete the following steps to let the discoveries begin. So basically this is a step-by-step of how you do it. In this box, in this box, so I will show you what you get. So basically in this box you get two little trays like this. I have already sent mine off. I think I did film it. If I've got a little clip I'll add it in now. I'm excited to do this. So it comes with this. Obviously I haven't really read it properly. You have to activate online. This is the little tubey. You put the tube in here to send it back. That's the like box that you send it back in. And then you get this, which I need to like read the instructions. I'm guessing you don't fill, surely you don't fill all of that up, because you have to have your you have to put like your saliva in it. Surely it's not going to be that whole tube. What the hell? But anyways, I've got to obviously read the instructions and I will show you my results when I've done it. So basically you get this box, you get two boxes like this. Now one contains like a solution that you then tip in to the actual saliva pot, and the other one is the pot for the saliva. Now what I will say is people are like, it's not a lot of saliva, it's just a little bit. I actually think it's quite a lot. The tube is only like that much, but for me anyway, that was a lot of saliva, which is pretty disgusting. But anyway, so you go online, activate it, so you basically spit it into the tube, like dribble it. It's like a little funnel. You take the funnel out like so, and then you dip the solution in, and then you shake it, I think it was, tighten. Oh, so you tighten the top of it and then it releases the fluid. So in this top bit you put that on, and once you tighten it the fluid drops into the saliva sample. And then you shake it for 5 seconds, put it into the collection bag, and then you just put it into the mail. So you send it off. It does take between 6 and 8 weeks, so it does take a while. But yeah, super easy. That is all. And then you can go online and it will tell you when your results are back. So this is my chart of what I got. So basically, as you can see, let me move to the side because I'll just put it up here. As you can see, so basically my great-granddad was Irish and I knew that I would have Scottish or Irish in me somewhere. Clearly the name as well is like a Scottish-Irish name, so I knew that that would be somewhere. However, and obviously I live in the UK and in Britain, so and like all my family does, so I knew that would be the case as well. However, so it came up. This is how it comes up. It tells you all the percents and whatnot and shows you on this map as well. So the top percent is 24%, which is Ireland, Scotland and Wales, which like I say, I knew that it would probably be quite a high percent, didn't know what or wherever. So you can click on it and it'll basically tell you the percent range of how far you are to, like, if you're right at the top, obviously that's when you're like born and bred in Ireland. So what I will say is I'm a little bit of a mongrel human in the fact that I don't know whether everyone's like this. Probably, I don't know, not everyone I guess, but I am literally spread out over so many countries and so many places, which I am shocked about, honestly. We had no idea, so like none of my family knew that this was going to how it come out. So Ireland, yes, we knew about, like I say. And then the next one is 21% Scandinavia. This is higher than Great Britain, so I have 21% of Scandinavia in my body or in my ancestors that are built up with my DNA, rather than Great Britain is 20%. So Scandinavia is technically higher, which is madness. So Scandinavia is basically Sweden, Norway and Denmark, and I literally had no idea that this was in our family or anything like that, which is mad. Like, everyone was kind of a bit like, wow, like, we kind of want other family members to get it done now to see kind of where it came from. Then obviously Great Britain, 20%. It's in, and it says Southern England, and obviously that is where I live, in the south, southeast. Europe West is Belgium, France, Germany, Netherlands, Switzerland. And then it comes up with low confidence regions. So with this, it's all really, really tiny percents. So like 1% is Europe South, which is Italy and Greece. So I'm like 1%, I have that like somewhere. Europe Jewish, which is like Poland, Ukraine, Russia, Hungary. Then I've got Iberon Peninsula, which I didn't know what it was, but that's how. So this was so interesting. It has loads on the website as well, like how you can find matches as well, so like DNA matches, other people. It does come up with like possible third cousins, or even like 4th to 6th cousins, and comes up with people, like real people that have taken the DNA test, which is mad. So this is just insane. What I will say as well, like, I think this should be more talked about, because imagine if you couldn't find a family member, all they would have to do is do the DNA test. If they both done it and it would be online, they could potentially find each other. So I think that's really important to like mention as well, like that could happen. But yes, I wanted to share this because I thought it was so mad that Ireland, Scotland, Wales, 24%, like, yeah, that was the one that we thought was going to be, you know, maybe even 50%, I don't know, 50% that, 50% Britain. But Scandinavia is higher than Great Britain, which is just mad. So yeah, I really found this so interesting to find out, especially that it's like in your body, it's your own DNA, what you're built up of. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. I will leave the link as well for the Ancestry website if you want to go on there. You can make family trees and stuff as well on there. But it's so interesting. They do often have like, it's £59 instead of 79. But yeah, like I say, this video is not sponsored, but I just wanted to talk about it because I thought it was really interesting and kind of incredible, to be honest. So anyway, thanks so much for watching. Slightly different video, but obviously I'll be back with normal videos in future. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.